I begin the project by measuring out 12-inch sections on my 4x1. Once I have my measurements, I'm ready to begin cutting my pieces. After my pieces have been cut, I'm ready to start gluing. If you're heavy-handed with the glue like I am, you can wipe away any excess with a lightly damp cloth or towel. Next, I cut my 1/4-inch dowels for the legs. Once each piece has been cut to 12 inches, I use light hand sanding to soften any rough edges from the miter saw. I use a 1/4-inch Forstner drill bit to cut shallow holes for the dowels. This way, I'll be able to glue them directly into place for added stability. I cut my holes only as deep as the head of the Forstner bit to make sure they don't go all the way through the wood. Next, I drill small holes that will help act as a guide for my screws when I'm ready to assemble the legs. Once the glue has dried completely and I've drilled the holes for the legs, I give the whole piece a thorough sanding. After the initial sanding, I use my corded hand planer to give the edges a rounded look. I give the piece a final sanding before moving on to the final steps. My first step in the assembly is to glue the legs into place. I use a rubber mallet to make sure the legs are in place. After the glue for the legs have dried, I'm ready to screw them into place. To complete the project, I need to install hooks for the bed. I measure about 1 inch from the bottom of the board to make sure the hooks are at an even height. Then, I simply screw the hooks into where I marked. I use pliers to tighten any particularly tricky ones. After that, I'm done. Let's see how they like it.